For example, we are taking an octal number, it is 356, and we have to find out the decimal equivalent. Now to find out, just write this like this, and we have to multiply this 6 with 8 to the power 0, this 5 with 8 to the power 1, this 3 with 8 square. Now 6 multiplied by 8 to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is 1, plus 5 multiplied by, it is 8 to the power 1, so it is 8, plus 3 multiplied by 8 square equal to 64. Now we have to add up this number. 3 multiplied by 64, it is 192, plus 5 multiplied by 8, it is 40, plus it is 6. So this is the required number. So its decimal equivalent will be 238. Now let's take another example. Let's say 13102. It is in octal number and we have to find out its decimal number. So write this number. We have to multiply this number with 8 to the power 0. It is 8 to the power 1. It is 8 square. 8 cube. 8 to the power 4. Now 1 multiplied by 8 to the power 4 is equal to 4096, plus it is 3 multiplied by 8 cube, plus 1 multiplied by 8 square, it is 64, plus 0 multiplied by 8 to the power 1, anything multiplied by 0, it is 0, and 2 multiplied by 8 to the power 0, it is 2. Five, 6, 9, 8. So this is the required decimal number, the equivalent of 13102 in octal number system. Now we'll see the fractional part. 0.762 in octal number, and we have to find out its decimal equivalent. To do this, we have to write this number 0.762. After point, we have to multiply this 7 with 8 to the power minus 1, this 6 with 8 to the power minus 2, and this 2 with 8 to the power minus 3, and like this it will go on like this. Now 8 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 8. 8 to the power minus 2, it is 8 square. 8 to the power minus 3, it is 1 by 8 cube. 1 by 8 is equal to 0.125. 1 by 8 square, 0.0156, and 1 by 8 cube, it is 0.0019. We'll considering only 4 octal points. Now it is 7 multiplied by 8 to the power minus 1, so it is 7 multiplied by 0.125, plus 6 multiplied by 8 to the power minus 2, so it is 0.0156, plus 2 multiplied by 8 to the power minus 3, it is 0.0019. Now we have to add up this number. After adding this number, we will get 0.0019. 978. So this is the required equivalent decimal number of this octal number 0.762. So this is how we have to do for integer part and the fractional part. Thanks for watching.